guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can pretty much use the auto cut feature on CapCut PC. So to use the feature, you're going to press the plus button, and then you are going to select upload to upload a video. And then you are going to just select the scissors button on the very top. And this is the auto cut feature, and it's going to automatically add sounds and effects. You have a few options too. There's chill vibes, wildest dreams, but it's going to also add in effects for you, as you can see, and also a sound. Once you're done choosing the theme, just press save and then press next, and you're done. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button up at the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!